Hi, it's Lael from Simple Stories. We're live at the Creativation show. I'm here to show you Spring Farmhouse. And Spring Farmhouse is one of those collections that is just a great all-around, all-purpose, everyday farmhouse we know is so popular right now. And as we look at the ginghams, beautiful colors, bright yellows, some really nice black in there to balance it out. And then you have lovely pinks and greens to kind of balance out that beautiful collection. Simple basics, you guys, these are brand new, and these are designed kind of as your coordinating backgrounds for your layouts and your cards and so forth. We'll move down to the chipboard. There's some fun kind of metal looking accents in here, so it really brings in kind of that farmhouse feel, especially as we have some wood grain. As you see, just really great for spring, great for summer, but great as kind of an all-around, everyday, all-purpose, documenting your home, documenting your family collection. One of the main patterns in the collection is this floral, and you see that beautiful in the washi tape there, and you'll see that all throughout the collection. Enamel dots, we love our enamel dots. 2 packages of bits and pieces here. There's that floral. This floral, those of you that are flower lovers, and we know there are a lot of you, me too, this package is full of floral die cuts, so all different kinds of florals that you see through the collection. So you make wonderful layouts and cards with that. And then the traditional bits and pieces that are just kind of sprinkled with the icons throughout the collection. The 6x8 paper pad, 24 sheets of 12 different designs. Those are double-sided. They also now include 3x4 cards, so those are great for kind of bringing that pad into your card making, but that's great for so many different things. More stamps and dies. So beautiful stamp set, that floral, a wonderful wreath. This one is really a great all-purpose. I can see using a lot of these stamps. Look at that one, isn't that great with the little kind of greenery in the little jars? Love that. And then the coordinating die set. So I have lots of dies that coordinate with my little stamps there. 4x6 stickers. And then I think these are my favorite, and there again you see that floral. So who doesn't love gingham, right? We love the gingham, and then those 2 florals are just gorgeous, and that's that floral that you see that kind of makes an appearance all throughout the collection. This is a great example of how we worked that black in, and it just, isn't that striking, that black, and the florals just pop off of that black. And then we'll take a look at the element stickers, and the combo stickers. That's a really good kind of overall view of the collection. And that's Spring Farmhouse from Simple Stories, shipping to Scrapbook.com beginning of February, so stay tuned.
Thanks for watching this video that was filmed in Phoenix, Arizona at AFCI's 2019 Creativation event. If you liked this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is a life handmade.